Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I've prepared a dialogue between two friends by having a conversation. So this will give you an idea that how to conversation with friends or with someone strange person. You really don't know that who is this guy. Maybe the other person want to talk to you in English, but you don't know that how to speak with him. So you don't need to be worried. Okay, you just stay with me. I'm gonna teach you that how to conversation with strange persons. Okay. So before start our topic, I like to tell you something. If you are not clear, if you are not catching my words clearly, and you are facing some issues from my side, like my voice is not clear or something else like my pronunciation is not clear, so you can tell me in comment box, then I'll correct it. Okay, so I never mind if you will find out my mistake and tell me in comment box. I'll be happy because this will also give me an idea that how am I making my videos and how am I speaking in my videos. Okay, so I'm just gonna saying my line. You will see on the screen that and you need to speak, you need to read it as loud as you can speak. Okay, so as you will see the conversation on the screen by writing form, you just need to repeat after me. So I'm just gonna saying my line, you will see on the screen. Oh hey, how are you doing today? Are you fine? Yeah, I'm also great. I haven't seen you in ages. Where do you live? Oh, that's great. I hope you are enjoying here. That sounds nice. By the way, may I know you in a short intro? How about grabbing coffee and catching up? Are you in any kind of hurry? Awesome. Let's go then. Okay, now you need to speak my line as I'm saying before. So I'm just gonna saying that line which are showing on the screen. Okay? Yeah, I'm doing fine. And what about you? I live in Lahore. I just came here to meet my maternal parents. Yeah, yeah, I had a lot of fun here. Yeah, I'm Bal from Lahore. I'm a fruit seller. And what about you? That's nice. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Sounds great. I don't have to be anywhere. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay? Have a good day, take care, and see you in next video.